Hello, this is the Carnival Magic Cabin 11247. Give you a quick tour here. As you can see, it's at the mirror there. It's got three cabinets. It's going to have some of the life preservers in it though, so that's probably going to take up some of your space. But one full one there, another one here with hangers. If you need more hangers, you can always ask your cabin attendant. They'll get more for you. We've always found there's plenty of hangers though. And then the third one has shelves that can be moved out of the way. They can be pushed up. But we've always enjoyed having the shelves. There's no drawers in this cabin, just the shelves. Standard Carnival cabin bathroom with the regular shower curtain. Plenty of space really to store stuff in the bathroom. A few shelves there, a few on the other side. Nothing underneath, just a trash can and extra room for them to put more toilet paper and facial tissues. But just a standard bathroom. It's got the couch, a couple lamps on each side. One thing to note, this is pre-dry dock. That's supposed to happen in 2026, so no lamps with USBs. In fact, there are no USBs in the entire cabin. You'll see here you got one 220 volt or European and a couple of 120 volt standard US plugs, and that's all you got for the entire room, so plan accordingly. There's 4 drawers, one that's got the hair dryer. It's somewhat effective, not that great, but it works in a pinch. And a small drawer there, and the refrigerator or cooler, because it's not really much of a fridge, but it does keep things a bit cool. You got your safe in this one with some more storage underneath. So a decent amount of storage, not a huge amount, but some. Then we'll head out to the balcony here, which is what most people want to see. How big is the balcony? What's the view like? It's just got 2 standard chairs with a table in between. Not too bad, just in normal size, not too small, but not that big either. But it is a standard balcony cabin, so that's what you're paying for. That's what you're going to get. You will notice, again, pre-dry dock, so it's needing some work. You can see a lot of rust right there. And the handle was kind of a bit wonky, stuff like that. So I'll show you where it is in regards to the map. It's right here, pretty close to the elevators, so that was kind of a problem. It's not too bad normally, but if you're trying to sleep at night and it's not too late, there's a lot of people going in and out of the elevators, and you'll hear the ding every time, and they could be getting a little loud and obnoxious. So just keep that in mind. It's convenient. It's really near the elevators and stairs, but it could get a little noisy. But if you have any questions, post your comments. If you have any comments and you've stayed in this cabin, let me know. Enjoy.